With Videofork templates, you don't need to create your projects from scratch. You can make use of the pre-made templates. Videofork templates come with all the animation assets and background music with necessary animations pre-made. To create a project from a template, click on the Create Project button in your Accounts page. Preview any template listed in the pop-up. Once you've decided on which template to use, click More Details. Once you are at the template page, click on the Edit Video button, which is going to create a project with all the contents in the template and takes you to the editor. Once the project is loaded in your editor window, we'll start editing the contents to our needs. First, I'm going to edit the text we see here. Get focus on the text by clicking on it. Now you'll see 3 buttons on the left side of the text. Click on the button that has exchange arrow icon in it. When I hover over the button, it shows Replace with another item. Once I click it, the Asset Import pop-up opens with a plain text editor. Focus with our text. Here, make the necessary changes to the text and click Insert Text. Now the text is changed. With Videofork, you can replace any type of element with any other element. It doesn't necessarily should be the element of the same type. Let me replace this Lottie animation with a GIF. Click on the Lottie animation. Now click Replace button. Move to the GIFs tab and search for any GIF. Finally, click Insert. Boom! Our Lottie file is now a GIF. Videofork is a powerful tool to create videos or presentations for any needs. Go to videofork.co and start creating your first video for free.